I'll show you amazing construction machines. Here comes the first vehicle. Door opened. Tamping wheel. Door closed. This is a grader. Blade. Wheel. Door opened. Headlamps. Door closed. This is a tracked excavator. Backhoe. Tracks. Backhoe. Tap me to hear more about it. It's a compactor. Door opened. Tamping wheel. Door closed. This is a haul truck. Tap me to hear more about it. Haul truck is the largest, highest payload capacity type of dump truck. It's a bulldozer. Blade lowered. Ripper lowered. The ripper is the long claw-like device on the back of the bulldozer. This is a wheel loader. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction mainly for uploading materials into trucks. Bucket up. It's a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a tracked tractor used to push large quantities of soil, sand, or rubble during construction, and then to flatten areas of ground. Blade lowered. Ripper lowered. It is a concrete mixer truck. Special concrete mixer trucks are made to transport and mix concrete up to construction sites. Revolving drum. Revolving drum. This is a tracked excavator. Excavator is a heavy construction equipment used for digging, material handling, river dredging, and demolitions. Backhoe. Backhoe. This is a road roller. A road roller is a vehicle equipped with heavy, wide, mostly smooth rollers. Drum. This is a tracked excavator. Backhoe. is a grater. This is a road roller. It is a mobile crane. Hook. This is a boom. Extend the outriggers to raise it. Hook. This is a boom. Extend the outriggers to raise it. This is an articulated hauler. Open box bed is raised. Open box bed is lowered. This is a grater. This is a haul truck. Is a grater.